Hey there, welcome back to Coding with Drew. In this video, we're going to follow some steps. You'll never do this in the real world, but I created a site already for you. All you have to do is customize it. And so we're going to do some steps that I just want you to follow. And I don't want you to take any notes. This is not important. What is important is that you follow these steps verbatim. Do not try to deviate, change the name of the site, etc. At least not yet, because it will break this process and then you'll be messaging me asking me for help. So please follow the instructions as written. There should be 2 download links that you will get in the notes section below. I'm going to go ahead and download these 2 files. And now I'm going to close this and go back to DevKinsta. In DevKinsta, click on Custom Site. We're going to call this Portfolio. It's really key that this is called Portfolio. If it's called anything else, this will not work. And click Enable HTTPS. And we're going to go with PHP version 7.4. And we're not going to make any other changes besides our admin username. So I'm going to call this admin password. I suggest that you make this anything else, but it really doesn't matter because we're about to overwrite it. So click Create Site. Now this will take a second. Okay, our site is now ready to go, but there's nothing custom about this right now. This is the same as the test site that we created before. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this button. It says Database Manager. And now you would not normally do this, but we're going to click this Select All button and we're going to click Drop. So we're going to kill our database. It's scary. Should not be a big deal. Now we're going to click on Import. And then we're going to select that file that we just downloaded called portfolio.sql. And we're going to upload it and then click Execute. All right, so looks like it executed. Okay, this is all green. Okay, so now our database is updated, but we haven't updated our WP content. So the entire contents of your WordPress website will live in this little directory right here. We're going to delete it. Okay, so we downloaded a file called WP content. We're just going to drag it and drop it in there. I don't think it's going to work that way. So I'm going to open my Finder and we're going to go to Downloads. And then I'm going to open this in another window. And in my Downloads, I'm going to move WP content in here. And then that should do the trick. So if we've done everything correctly and we click WP admin, we should see a site and the password and username are admin password, like PASSWORD. We're going to log in. I don't want to save this password because it's too obvious. All right, so now if we click on this little button up here and go to visit site, you should see a site that looks exactly like this. And everything is already pretty much laid out for you. My only ask is that you leave this theme made with love for Coding with Drew. It's a link back to my site. It will help me with my mission, and that's getting as many students as possible to learn how to code for free. Everything else on this is yours to edit free of charge. So now you have a portfolio website. Now you don't know how to do anything with it just yet, but it's pretty robust. There's a lot of things you can do with it to make this your own. And I'm going to walk you through all of those steps. So I'll see you in the next video where we break this down.
It's all cool. Coding with Drew. It's all cool. HTML, CSS, WordPress. Get the lessons right here. Get the lessons right here. Get the lessons right.